inside the SCP-087-B. Please proceed with caution.
Hi. Oh, fuck. Hi, guys. This is SCP-087-B. Someone? I can't remember. But here we go. I'm about to go to the library to go study. And I decided to record this. Can I not run? This game, okay, it's not like SCP. Containment breach. Just walking in this weird freaking hallway thing. I don't know where I'm going. Where will it take me? I think I went the wrong way. What the hell? What the hell's that shit? Where am I going? I am so confused right now. What the hell? There's fudge. Don't like this game. 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 What the hell's that? What the hell's that? 4. Okay. Na na da na na da na na da na na. Oh my god. I don't know why I play these horror games. I'm not good with like scary stuff. I can't watch like scary movies like the Fudge. I can't watch like The Grudge or stuff like that because oh god. What the hell is that? I want to play Amnesia though. My computer's stupid, won't play it. This is a stupid game. What the hell's that? What are we? 8. Okay. Ugh, man. I don't want to put myself through this torture. Oh! Stop that! Please stop talking. Okay. Ugh. Okay, let's think about happy thoughts. How about that? Okay, we'll think about cute puppies. Oh, cute cats. I like cats. Oh, even pandas. Pandas are even cute too. Oh man. Trying to think happy thoughts here. Cute little kittens. Oh crap, did I just miss that corner? Okay, I'm going down still. Okay, whoever's heavy breathing is just freaking me. What the hell? Where am I? Oh my gosh! Okay, I'm just trying to talk over the freaking heavy breathing just because I don't like it. I'm scared. I'm really scared right now, guys. This is worse than SCP Container Breach. Oh god, this is worse. This is like 10 times worse. I don't even. Oh, what the hell was that? What the hell was this? Yeah. You know. La 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 la. Moving the microphone, headset with it, so it's not on my ear, so I don't get scared so badly. Yeah. Oh no, I'm scared. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I'm done. That's it.